Hello my audience. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to remove or demo tile that is adhered to a concrete surface. So it's going to be probably a little more difficult if the previous installer used the right adhesive or mortar. It will probably be a little challenging, as you'll see. But before we get started, make sure you got your safety glasses because things will be flying. You'll have chips and you don't want to get that in your eye. So I've got a couple tools laid out here. You're going to be spending a lot of time going up and down and on your knees, so I would suggest you either get a set of knee pads that are really good, or I have a pair of knee pads built into my pants. Then you're going to need a pry bar. You might need this short stubby chisel. I've got my regular framing hammer, and then I've got my extreme hammer. So I'm going to go ahead and see how difficult this is to crank out. We're going to start with the regular chisel. All right, now you can see how it started to chip. So far the mortar actually is put in pretty good. So what I can tell you from here is this is going to be a very difficult task to take out this small 10 by 10 section of tile. So what I do have, and I can show you at a different time, will be a rotary hammer drill that I will put a attachment on it similar to this that will make things a little bit easier. But I'm going to go ahead and keep trying to do this, see how far I get. I'm currently at a condo remodeling project, so I'll have a lot of opportunity to show you different aspects, not only of the demo, but also of some of the install or refurbishment. Like and subscribe on the video. Give me a thumbs up.